Okay, this is unit 1 of Learn as You Play Flute by Peter Wastall, pages 6 to 7. This covers the notes G, A, B and C. So providing you've looked carefully at the initial blowing and posture of exercise of video 1A and 1B, then all should be fine. The flute's assembled. The notes you're going to play are G, A, B, and C. Starter flautists might find it quite difficult to play Cs because with the back thumb key off and the first finger of the left hand on, you may find the flute insecure. That's something to work at. Make sure the blowhole also is in the center of the lips. And remember, corners of the mouth down and you're blowing down into the flute. Okay. G, A, B and C are all included on page 6 in diagrammatic form, as well as traditional notation. I'm going to look at exercise 1. Exercise 1 deals with B and A. That is it. The easiest note to another easy note. So B to A. Each note is worth 2 counts. So we have 2 minims per 4/4 bar. I'm going to play it quite slowly. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Play that quite slowly yourselves too when you come to play it. Exercise 2 is a bit more difficult because we're playing B to C. And remember, C, left hand, first finger, back thumb key off. So it's B to C. You may like to try that, just fingering a B and then lifting the thumb so you can play C. So this is exercise 2. I'll play it slowly. 3, 4. You'll note that I breathe after the end of each bar and tongue the notes. Starter flautists might find it difficult to sustain the beginning of a bar to the end of the bar. If so, breathe after each note. At least at the beginning when you play it. Eventually, breathe after each bar. It may take some weeks to do this. Exercise 3 includes the note G. G is quite a difficult note to play because really, thinking about it, the air has to go from here to here, which is quite a long way down the tube. It's easier to B. There's less distance for the air to travel. Okay, this is exercise 3. Again, all minims. 3, 4. It's longer, the whole exercise, 2 lines long. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 bars in length. So be prepared for that. Exercise 4 is mostly crotchets, black notes with sticks worth 1 count each. At the end of each line we have 2 minims worth 2 counts each. Exercise 4, remember to tongue the notes, and if you can breathe after each bar, that would be excellent. Okay. Exercise 5 on page 7 mixes minims, 2 count notes, with crotchets, 1 count notes. And again, this is 2 lines long, as in the preceding 2 exercises. Here it goes. 3. Starts on G. 3, 4. Okay. Those are the preliminary exercises from 1 to 5. You should, by the time you've practiced that, be adept at playing G, A, B and C. Play them slowly. And if they don't work immediately, be patient. It takes time to do this. St. Margarita's Lullaby is the next piece, the first real piece that you're going to encounter halfway down page 7. Peter Wostall thinks that you should breathe after every 2 bars. I think that's quite a tough thing to do. So I would say, again, try and breathe after each bar. Initially, breathe after each note if you need to, and then extend it to the end of bars. And if you can, extend it to 2 bar phrases. Here's St. Margarita's Lullaby. Okay. The next one is a traditional French tune called Chanson de Nuit. Similar kind of thing, minims and crotchets. And the last one is called A Hymn to Saint Cecilia. And here, the breathing really extends every 2 bars. Again, although it begins on beat 3, but when you look at the music, you'll be able to see the way it works. If you can't sustain long phrases, remember to breathe after each note, or at least after each bar. Here we go. 3, 1, 2. play that again. Here it goes. Hymn to Saint Cecilia. So that brings Unit 1 to an end. Keep working at those notes, G, A, B and C. Tonguing is important. Breathing is important. Posture is also important. Keep the head up, eyeballs down. Make sure the air is going into the flute and you're not breathing, pushing air forward. If you do that, there'll be a good chance you'll split the notes, and the tone production will be poor. So plenty of air into the flute. Keep keep working on blowing the head joint if you find that the progress goes backwards. Keep fingers also in center of keys. Arms out. Okay.